Hi all, I'm Priyadashini, product executive for AMC Cookware. Today we are going to see an interesting recipe called Eggless Orange Cake using our avocado. Come, let's get started. Before mixing our batter, let's first preheat our pots. So today I've taken 24 high. I'm switching on the Navigino to level 6. I'm fixing my audio thumb and keeping it in roasting window. While it reaches the roasting window, we'll prepare our batter for the cake. You can see I've connected my phone as well so that you can monitor your cooking through the app. Take a mixer bowl, add in some oil, powdered sugar, mix this well. Add yogurt, orange juice, orange zest, refined flour, after adding flour you use cut and fold method. Add in baking powder, baking soda, orange food color. This is quite optional. Now add some milk. Our batter is now ready to bake. Now you can see it has reached the roasting window. I'm going to switch off the audio thumb. Switch off our Navigino. Invert the lid. Place the pot on top of it. Place a butter sheet. Pour the mixture. Okay. Now place the Navigino on top of the unit. Without switching on the Navigino, let us give the resting time for 10 minutes. Now let's switch off the audio thumb. Now we need to on our Navigino to level 1 on the audio thumb. In baking window, let's bake for 10 minutes. I'm connecting my phone as well. Once the cooking is done, our cake will be ready. Now you can see our baking is done. So we'll switch off the Navigeno, switch off the audio thumb. So you can see our eggless orange cake is ready. See you all with another recipe. Bye.